how to embed code on Squarespace. So first, go to your Squarespace website. Next is click on edit. Okay, now just go to where you want to add the code. So for this example, let's say I want to add the code to the footer section. So let's say I want to add, now next is just click on add block, the left side. Look for embed, click here. Next is, let's say I want to embed it here at the side. You can resize it however you want. Okay. Now, to embed the code, just click on the pencil icon here. Next is, you can either use URL code, and for an embed code, just click on code snippet and click on embed data, and you can add the embed code here. After that, just click on back, then just click on save, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.